So for number 15, it says that J is the centroid of the triangle, and since J is the centroid of the triangle, I know it's created by connecting the three medians, and therefore each side of the triangle got cut in half. So we have some congruent segments. DF is congruent to FC, CH is congruent to HE, and finally, DG is congruent to GE. Now that I labeled these congruent parts, I can look at what we're given. It says that DE is 52. So all the way across here is 52. So if I want to find each individual segment, since it got cut in half, I just have to take 52 and divide it by 2, which is 26. So I'm going to label that here 26 units and then 26 units. So it also says that FC is 15. So if I locate FC, I notice that it is this piece right here. So if that's 15, then I know this other segment is also 15. And so all the way across, if I total that, all the way across is 30 units. Lastly, they give me that HE is 14. So if HE is 14, I know that CH is also 14. So if I total the entire segment all the way across, that would be 28. So now we're just listing our observations. So DG is 26 units. GE is also 26 units. DF is 15 units. DC is 30. It was all the way across. CH is 14 units. And then CE is all the way across. That would be 28 units.